The first process: collecting and unloading. Transport the mill finish profiles to workshop by material transfer carriage. Before unloading, confirm that the drawing on the material card is consistent with the actual object. Check for scratches or dents on the surface of the profiles, and make sure there are no obvious defects on the surface. Unload maximum to stillages at a time. Before lifting, make sure the stillages and the crane are in a vertical line. Make sure all 4 hooks are used and in place every time before lifting profiles to workshop. Attention! Lift more than 2 stillages or use less than 4 hooks. It's easy for the hooks of the stillages to desolder due to overload, leading to work accident. After unloading, lift the empty stillages back to the material transfer carriage for reuse.